Hey there friends, welcome back to day 2 of our 12 days of baked goods. Today's recipe is going to be a no bake. You can do this with Oreos or you can just make some sugar cookies and use the leftovers later. This is going to be a chocolate sugar cookie truffle. As always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this. We're going to start by crumbling our cookies. I will leave my recipe for my chocolate cookies in the description box down below. You can always use any that you like. You can also do this with Oreos. You just have to separate the cookie with the cream, and then you can incorporate the cream later when you go to form the truffles. So just process these or get them in a bag and crush them. Then we're going to add our frosting to this. You can use pre-made frosting or you can make your own. I will leave my recipe down below as well. And I'm going to be mixing this in my stand mixer. I'm going to get a quarter sheet pan with some parchment paper, and once the dough holds its shape, I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. Use my ice cream scoop and scoop out these balls and just start forming them and placing them on the tray. Once I'm done with that, I'll let them chill for a bit, and in the meantime, I'm going to melt my chocolates. So I'm using regular milk chocolate as well as some red candy melt. You can use green as well or any other color you'd like. Just dip them in with a fork, make sure they're well covered, and then put them back on your sheet pan. You can go decorating as you dip them, so once you take them out of the candy melt or chocolate, just go ahead and get your sprinkles or drizzle or whatever you want to use and just decorate them. You want to do it before the chocolate hardens. So just repeat this with all your balls. Here I am adding sprinkles to mine. And here's a final look at those truffles. These are absolutely so delicious and so easy and quick to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want a vanilla sugar cookie method of this, I did do that 2 or 3 years ago. If you want to see, it is in my holiday playlist. If you want to see pictures of this and follow me outside of YouTube, I do have my social media links down below. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.